Today we're going to talk about one of my, I cannot say favorite plant because I have so many favorites, okay? But Syngonium is I love them because they are very easy to look after, they are very easy to propagate, and they look really beautiful. Okay, where is this gorgeous plant coming from? It comes from the rainforest of the Central and South America. And because it grows in the rainforest, obviously it grows between trees. Basically, they don't see very much the sun, okay? Because when they see directly the sun, the leaves get scorched, you know, they get burned. How do you look after this gorgeous thing? Look, there are many varieties of Syngonium. Here I mixed up two different varieties. This is called the Alborum variegatum, which you can see the variegation is very beautiful. It's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Amazing, amazing variegatum plant. And then this is the pink Alosium, you know. There are, at least I know, 23 varieties of Syngonium. They need humidity. They need a warm area, obviously coming from the rainforest of Central and South America. It needs to live in an atmosphere that is quite warm. They like a lot of humidity. If you live in a place that there's not a lot of humidity, you just mist the plant, okay? You just take a mister. You mist the plant, okay? You need just to water once a week in summer and every 10 or 2 weeks in winter. Remember always, my tip is put your finger, if the first centimeter is wet, don't touch the plant. We kill more plants because we overwater them, that we don't give them enough water. We don't water them enough. Another beautiful thing of this plant is so easy to propagate. And if you want to propagate it, you find a node. You need to find the node of the plant. The node is like a little node, you know. So basically, if I want to propagate, I will not cut only just one leaf. It wouldn't do anything. It will die. But if I have the node, then it will from this node, I will get the roots. So basically, I cut it. I will take the scissors, cut it like this. Put it in water, you have the roots and you can plant it somewhere else. For the time being, I'm not leaving it to climb. I cut it all the time to make it a bit bushier. But when I feel like, I will just leave it naturally, and it will create a cascade. They call it as well, this plant, the arrowhead plant, because you can see the shape is like an arrow. It's an arrowhead. The Syngonium is the proper name, the scientific name, and the common name is the arrowhead. And it's so gorgeous, and you can tell it's I don't know. It's a lovely plant, especially for beginners, because it's very difficult to kill it. It doesn't need any, as long as you don't put it directly in the sun. They like the brightness. They like the brightness of the light, but without not getting the sun, because as I said, it gets burned, it gets scorched. I love it. Syngonium. Put a Syngonium in your life. It will make you. It's a purifier. All of the plants are purifiers, and they are like some people have pets. For me, they give me so much happiness.